doing here, huh? Turkey vultures. Mr. and Mrs. Turkey Vulture. Hi, guys. Did you find a snack? Where'd you get the snack from? Hi, guys. What are you doing? Wait, you don't have to leave. You guys could stay. You guys could stay. Nobody has anything against turkey vultures. Nobody has anything against turkey vultures. Oh, you guys are so beautiful. Look at how beautiful and grand you are. You're so beautiful and grand. Keep your snack. I'm going to step away now. So you guys can do your turkey vulture thing. But first I'm going to get a close-up. Look at you, buddy, turning around.